Expedition, all-wheel drive, doing the front brake pads. First, you need to just pop off this cap, stick your pry bar right in here. Cap comes off like that, exposes your lug nuts. These lug nuts, 21 millimeter. Alright, so once you take off your tire, here's your caliper. Behind this rubber, there's some T45s. T45 there, T45 there, T45. You want to break those loose. Alright, so there's both my T45s. Now you have this number 10 here. Connects to your brake line. You want to remove that too, so you can get a little bit more play out of your caliper. So remove that number 10. Alright, number 10's been removed. There's your bracket. Now we're going to remove your caliper. Alright, so you just place a pry bar in there like that. Pry back. We're going to remove our caliper now. Alright, so we got your caliper off. It is dual pistons. Want to remove your old brake pads. And we're also going to change out these clips here. Let's do that now. Alright, old clips and pads removed. New clips been installed. Want to always put the wear strip on the inside. So let's install the new pads now. Alright, we got our new pads in, new clips in. Now we're compressing our piston. I'm using 2 C-clamps. Just going to turn them one at a time. Let's do that now. Alright, pistons have been compressed. Now we're going to reinstall our caliper. These hooks are going to go up under here. And that bottom one goes down inside here. Let's do it now. Alright, so caliper's been reinstalled. The bottom there, you kind of got to work it in over that wear strip. And now we're going to put back in our 2 T45s. Just insert them, start screwing them in by hand. Alright, so once you get both your T45s installed, just want to pull the rubber boot back over them. Pull the dust protector. Alright, so your caliper's installed, everything's tight. You want to put back in your bracket. There's a little notch on it, right there. It's going to sit inside that groove right there. Then you put back in your number 10. Alright, your number 10's reinstalled. Brake line's not kinked. New pads and rotors, put back on your tire. Repeat the same process on the other side and pump your brake pedal before you move off. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.